I told you. Couldn't even keep up with you. Shh.
This is gonna be great. He doesn't even know you're here. Come on.
The Arkham Knight, Barbara Gordon. Tell me what they are.
So that's who we had. The Commissioner's little girl.
I'll break every bone in your body, Cobblepot.
They were going to see some geezer called Simon Stagg. I think he runs a pharmaceutical company or something.
Do not lie to me.
I'm not. I swear. They said he's about to leave Gotham. Those airships over the West River, it belonged to him.
Put him down! We'll shoot, bud! 5! Drop him! 4! We'll kill you, we don't care! 3! Let go of him, now!
Won't do you any good. Scarecrow's gonna break you. You are going down, Batman.
Hold him steady, fellas. I've been working on my swing. Watch and learn. Gonna knock his head right out of the...
This is you handling it, right? Now don't worry, you can thank me later.
Get him!
You're staying down.
Hope you're done with walking, Nightwing.
Don't fight it, Nightwing. We're just doing our job. What's wrong, Nightwing? You need
Let's see who can take out the most.
You're gonna die.
Oh, this will be too easy.
Bring it. That.
We can't let any of these weapons get onto the street. This cache needs to be destroyed.
Bruce, you need to let me help.
I had it under control. I told you, I need you back in Bloodhaven.
Now, Scarecrow, these weapons, this all affects Bloodhaven too. The best place for me is here. Look, with the amount of weapons Penguin has been running into Gotham, this cannot be everything.
He must have other caches in the city. Search this place for evidence. It should help us locate more of Penguin's refrigeration trucks.
What a wanker. Let's put him out of business, eh? Seriously? Do you believe that accent? That he only puts it on to sound scary.
Closing the vault door will contain the explosion.
I need to close the vault door and contain the blast.
Are you out of your tiny mind, Bats? Pull that trigger, and you'll kill us both.
Shutting the vault door will contain the blast. I need to shut the vault door first. Contain the blast. Shutting the vault door will contain the blast. Closing the vault door will contain the explosion. I need to close the vault door and contain the blast. I need to shut the vault door first. Contain the blast. Closing the vault door will contain the explosion. Shutting the vault door will contain the blast. I need to close the vault door and contain the blast. Closing the vault door will contain the explosion. I need to shut the vault door first. Contain the blast. I'm going after Barbara.
I'll contact you as soon as I track down any of Penguin's trucks.
I need to close the vault door and contain the blast. Shutting the vault door will contain the blast.
Please, what are you doing? Bats, come on! Don't lock me in here. I'll do anything. Want the laundry done, I'll do it. Help out Alfred? You got it!
I'm not far enough away to detonate the explosive. I shouldn't detonate until I'm further away. I need to be at a safe distance before I detonate. I should back away from the vault. I'll be too close to the blast.